In today's video, I will show you the easy way to dual boot Omarchy with Windows. This method makes it very easy to install Omarchy alongside Windows 11. I have allocated a dedicated and empty drive for this purpose where I will be installing Omarchy. This will result in a dual boot configuration with both operating systems running from separate drives. The only requirements of this video: you need Windows installed on your PC or laptop, a 16 gigs or higher USB drive to create a bootable disk with Omarchy, and lastly, you need 64 GB or higher internal SSD. Now go ahead and open Omarchy website and download the latest ISO image. I have already downloaded. Then use either Rufus or Etcher to create a bootable USB. It's time to create a bootable USB with Omarchy. Now for this video, I will be using Etcher. Then plug in the USB drive into your computer. Then simply import the ISO image. And choose your drive and click Flash. Now once the flashing process is complete, restart your PC or laptop into BIOS using the keyboard shortcut based on your motherboard. Now mostly it could be F2, F9, F10 or the escape key. In the UEFI BIOS, enable USB boot. Now go ahead and disable secure boot, which is very important. Then change the boot order by setting the USB drive as the primary boot device. Once it's done, save the changes. Now your system will boot into Omarchy from the USB drive. If in case it fails to boot, use the boot menu to load Omarchy install media. It's time to install Omarchy. Now keep in mind, Omarchy doesn't require internet connection and works completely offline. Now use the arrow keys to navigate through the options and press enter to confirm selections. Now choose your system language. Next, go ahead and create a user account and set a password. Then enter your full name and an email address, which you can skip. Then set a host name. Then go ahead and select your time zone. To filter, type / and enter your city name. Then select it and press enter. Once it's done, you will see summary. Then press yes to confirm. You can also make changes if you want. Next, choose your disk where you want to install Omarchy. I will be using my dedicated 120 GB SSD. Then choose your drive. This will erase everything, so make sure you have backed up your data. Then press enter and confirm yes to format the drive. The installation process will now begin. Now sit back and relax. It may take a while. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and reboot your system and remove the USB drive. And after that, it will boot directly into Omarchy desktop. Now go ahead and enter your password and login. The first thing to do after installing Omarchy is to connect to Wi-Fi. Once it's done, update Omarchy. Go ahead and press Super plus K. The Super is the Windows key. This will display a list of key bindings for applications, window management, workspaces, and much more. I recommend reading this list and memorizing some shortcuts. For example, Super plus W to close application window, and Escape key to close pop-ups. Now press Super plus Enter to open terminal. It's time to add Windows Boot Manager to eliminate boot configuration. To do so, type this command to scan the boot entries. Then look for the Windows Boot Manager. In my case, it's option number 3. And type your option and press Enter to confirm. Then reboot your system. Now you can easily boot into Omarchy and Windows 11 using the Eliminate Boot Manager. And that's pretty much it, and that's how you properly do boot Omarchy with Windows on your computer in just a few minutes. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.